So, Purakaunui Falls today, hey?
Yeah.
And somebody's a bit dressed a little bit different, working on a winter tan.
Yeah. I'm a bit annoyed because we didn't check the dock website because we could have brought Winnie.
Not to worry. Another one that's a nice easy formed footpath. Done in trainers. So there's a 10-minute walk.
There's a big Mai Tai.
Oh, big huge Mai Tai that's
A black pine.
pretty rotten in the middle. Look at that. See? Oh, look at the size of that. Is it soft?
No, it's not actually.
Is it not?
No. Little bridge.
Oh yeah, neat little bridge. Isn't it?
Cutter.
There's a bit of rock down there, look. Sounds like we're getting close. Hey? G'day guys. Oh no. Oh, you've just fallen in love again with a tree. You and your tree hugging. Hey, you never show me that much love.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
And if you can keep going further round, but you can't quite.
Yeah, can't quite see it there, can you?
No, but it looks pretty cool.
It looks like a big umbrella.
Yeah.
It does, doesn't it? Oh, there's another one there. Nice. Oh wow. Oh, look at that step. Okay. Nice and walking down. Even a very small one right next to it, look, just coming down from behind the step. So that was Purakaunui Falls. That was quite nice, wasn't it?
Quite nice, yeah. Put
Hey?
the sunglasses back on because it's
sunny.
quite bright.
Look at the nice blue sky.
I wonder where it says. That's at the end of the road.